Are we ready? I want to cut. Cake controversy put to the test. Today I am going to test out the two cutting methods that I hear about all the time. Some people say that one way yields more slices than the other. One is my personal favorite, personal go-to. The other one I have never tried, but some people swear by it. So today we are gonna give it a try. The first way, we're gonna cut this cake into the traditional triangular slices that I've always known to do as a caterer's cut. And the other way is gonna be this one that I've been hearing about for years, that you cut completely across and then cut the slices from there. So we're gonna see. What do we start with first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the toe. I don't know this in English, so I'm gonna pick you. All right, well, first of all, this is a 7-inch cake, and usually I serve at least 15 slices from this size of cake, being this tall. So I'm gonna start with a middle cut. Okay, I might be better at making cakes than cutting cakes, okay? Okay, I cut it my traditional way, the caterer's cut, and I got exactly what I expected. 15 slices out of a 7-inch cake, and they are nice and generous. Now we're gonna put the other one to the test. Let's see if we are pleasantly or unpleasantly surprised. This is very unfamiliar to me, but I did do some research, and it seems like I'm just going to cut straight down and get super long slices that way, and then I'm gonna cut each one into smaller pieces. Technically, a party slice should be around 2 inches by 1.5 inch. So I am going to do my best to make that happen, and let's see how it goes. I'm gonna go about 2 inches in, or 1. Okay, so that is, what would they say that is? It's like 1.5 inches. All right, so whoever gets this slice is getting all of the icing. Okay, I am really disappointed, but you know, the more thought I put into it, this cake controversy is not a controversy, because mathematically speaking, if you have one mass of a cake, you cannot change the size of it, so you're always gonna get the same amount of slices. It's just a matter of if you want them to be squared slices or triangular slices, and I'm sorry, I was not convinced. I will keep going with my traditional way, because they are all, each one of them is the same. They are all the same size, and they all have the perfect amount of icing and outside decorations. Like, see, this person got all the sprinkles. This person got none. This person got a perfect amount of everything. So I'm gonna stick to the traditional way. So if anybody has a different opinion, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys think about this. And if there's any other crazy way of cutting cakes, let me know. For today, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.